Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so today's topic will be let's be puppet. Okay, so in puppet, shadow puppet. So we are going to know about shadow puppet. So you must have seen your own shadow moving, dancing, doing some actions, right? So what is shadow puppet? Here shadow puppets are figures that are between light and a screen. Okay, and shadow puppet is very popular in India, and is performed in various states like Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu too. Okay, so let's make this shadow puppet. It's too easy. We need some materials like scissor, one pencil, eraser and a hard paper like cardboard or box board. Okay, so you need to take these things. Okay, so let's start. Now you know what is shadow puppet. So let's see how the shadow will form with this puppet. Okay, so you need to draw anything. You will draw. So for drawing you will take pencil. Okay, and you have to draw only outline. You are not going to draw features, like suppose you have to show a human body, you are not going to draw facial features, you are not going to draw all body features. Okay, you need to just make the shadow, means you just need to make the outline of that thing. Okay, so suppose I want to make a dragon puppet. So for dragon puppet I need to draw dragon. So let's start drawing this dragon. And my grade 3 students know that you have to make this puppet for your theater, right? So you will make it and you have to show me. Just make outline. So here I am not going to draw her his eyes, nose, lips. So we'll draw only outline. So not only this dragon, you can make anything. Suppose you want to show some fruits, okay, fruit puppet. So you have to make only outline of banana, okay. So this is your banana, okay. So you will show only outline. And if you want to make different type of dragon, you can make. Draw it with pencil only, because if any mistake will happen, you know it, you can erase it. Okay, so here my dragon outline is ready. Okay, suppose if you want to make different kind of dragon, you want to make some wings and all, so you can make it. Okay, so now after drawing this you need to cut it. Okay, so here I have already done my cutting. Here it is. Okay, so now cutting is done, right? So this is your puppet, but how you are going to hold it? So you know, for puppet you need to stick a stick, any wooden kind of stick can be there, or whatever is there. Okay, you can take your pencil also, okay, to just see that how it is going to look. Okay, so what you will do, you will take any stick after cutting and you have to stick it. So for sticking, you can use any sellotape or you can use masking tape too. Need to place it properly and stick it nicely. Okay, so here is your one second. Yeah, puppet. Okay, so this paper is thin, so you need to take thick paper. Okay, it's not too thin, but yes, it is thick for puppet. You need to take thick paper. As I told you, you can take your box board. Okay, cardboard, carton box, anything. Okay, so now we'll see that how the shadow will form. I'm going to show you the shadow of this puppet. Okay, so here is your dragon puppet. Now you can see that my shadow is already forming. Okay, so now we'll see that how this puppet will work. Okay, so when you are putting it here, okay, near to the screen, okay, suppose curtain is here, then this shadow will reflect on the back side. Okay, because this is wall, this is opaque, it's not going to visible on that side. Okay, this puppet is not going to, shadow is not going to visible on that side, so you need to put a curtain. Okay, so on curtain you will pass the light from here and then your shadow will form here. Okay, so you are near to screen, near to the wall. Okay, near to the curtain, so your shadow near to the wall, near to the curtain. Okay, then the shadow will be small. Okay, and if you are taking it away from the curtain or wall, then the shadow size will be will come big. Okay, so like this you can show your puppet show. Okay, puppet show. So this is your shadow puppet. Okay. So if you find this video interesting, just like and share and comment. Subscribe to